RETROcirq.
The channel or
Please. Mine. And more. If you're new to the Cirque, we post up new videos of old commercials every single week. So please be sure to subscribe, click that like button, and hit that notification bell. Also, make sure you share and spread the love for all things nostalgia by sharing the videos. It means so much to everyone. For you colorophobics out there, please leave. But for the rest of you, enjoy the retro commercials.
We'll return to the birds, you know. Now, these 10 o'clock news headlines.
Tonight, Miami police are looking for a suspect in the kidnapping of an 11-month-old child. The baby has been found unharmed, and 2 other suspects in the case are in jail. And Metro-Dade police are trying to put the brakes on what appears to be a series of home invasions. There have been no less than 4 such attacks since last night. I'm Gail Anderson. Those stories and the story of the arrest of a Dade County Corrections officer for alleged drug possession tonight on the 10 o'clock news.
8 o'clock is hot. Monday and Tuesday night, Sally Field is Sybil. But who is Sybil? Joanne Woodward unravels the shocking mystery. Wednesday, Gene Hackman is a tough New York cop who doesn't give up in The French Connection 2. Thursday, a real-life Batman and Robin team up in Super Cops. Then on Friday, the best of the USA sizzle on the Solid Gold Countdown 85. And on Saturday, the best of the UK heat things up on the British Record Industry Awards. 8 o'clock is hot, beginning Monday only on WCIX Channel 6.
Don't come too close. I have a bad cough and a cold.
No one appreciates the way Mom takes care of everyone until Mom gets sick.
What do we do now? Mom always takes care of us.
That's when the person who doctors the family turns to Robitussin, because more doctors and pharmacists recommend Robitussin than any other cough medicine.
Feeling better, Mom?
I was.
Robitussin, recommended by more doctors, pharmacists, and Dr. Mom.
Just break your piggy bank and come to Kelly Chevrolet. Kelly Chevrolet in Hallandale's large volume buying power means you can buy late model cars like this at these low prices. Look at this, 1985 Buick Regal, only $49 down, $189 a month. Or this, a 1983 Pontiac Phoenix. For you cash buyers, $43.88. Payments as low as $49 down, $129 a month. Only one place, Kelly Chevrolet in Hallandale.
Waterbed City has just put all their most popular styles on sale. They call them best sellers. You'll call them irresistible. Like our best value, the Pinewood, for just $99, and our best-selling contemporary model is just $299. If you're looking for the best buy, the San Juan offers loads of storage and a great sale price. Plus, you'll save big on our best-selling bedroom suites, and you won't have to make a payment until July. So for the best buys on the best styles, don't miss Waterbed City's irresistible best sellers.
The Von Astral Fine Jewelry Collection is proud to present this limited American introduction to its respected line of beauty accessories and fashion accents. Imagine the luxury and convenience of matching your mood or entertainment plans to just the right final accent. Imagine your own personal collection of Von Astral earrings in a stunning array of colors and styles. Now, for the first time ever, through this exclusive television offering, you can own such a collection direct from the Von Astral Design Studios. Select from exquisite designs, a riot of colors, delicate animal miniatures, pop art accents, and incredible variety now available for an incredible price. Not 10 pair, not 25 pair, but 52 pair. That's correct, a different pair of earrings each week for an entire year. The Von Astral Collection is proud to make this introductory, unheard-of offer for the unbelievable price of only $19.95. But this is obviously a limited offer and subject to cancellation, so you must order now. Imagine the variety and satisfaction of choosing from your own earring collection. 52 unique selections for just the right accent. And there's more. The Von Astral collection includes, as a special gift, this free guide to cosmetics and makeup. Famed beauty expert and consultant to the stars, Zia Wesley Hosford, reveals essential secrets of skincare, cleansing, toning, makeup, and a complete guide to brand name cosmetic buying. This sought-after volume is yours free if you order right now. The Von Astral earring collection of 52 exquisite designs and the Zia Wesley Hosford beauty guide for only $19.95. Here's how to order. COD and credit card orders, call toll-free 1-800-445-3000, 1-800-445-3000, or save COD and shipping by sending check or money order to this address. You must be satisfied or your money back, and you keep the free beauty guide, so call now, 1-800-445-3000, 1-800-445-3000.
They're attacking again. Well, now you stay in here. Come on out.
Look at the gas that man's lighting a cigar.
Hey, you! Don't drop that man! Look out! Get on there!
Please! Victor, run!
Watch out! Look out! Look out! Watch out!
Now, these 10 o'clock news headlines.
Hi, I'm Walt Gray with a busy Saturday of sports action. There were lots of surprises in college basketball. We have all the highlights coming up at 10. Closer to home, the Miami Hurricane basketball and baseball teams were at home. There were no surprises at the Lipton tennis event at Boca Raton. Top-seeded Chris Everett Lloyd took on Steffi Graf, and it was just another easy workout for Chris. Practice has begun for the Miami Grand Prix. We'll have interviews with the leading drivers and show you where they stand after tonight. Join us for Channel 6 Sports at 10.
Once I woke up, and I was 2 years older.
A true story so shocking.
Don't you dare tell. You tell, and I'll fix it so you ain't got nothing to tell with.
So terrifying.
I'll kill your dad.
I will do it. I will do it.
What did they do? What did they do?
It stunned the world. Joanne Woodward and Sally Field star in Sybil, Monday night at 8 on WCIX Channel 6.
Find out how to get the rest of your life from a Contour chair, plus some very special free gifts.
I'm listening.
The Contour chair's got to be the most comfortable chair you'll ever sit in because it's custom made just for you. It has the same basic design as an astronaut's chair to support you perfectly in any position. Call toll-free and we'll rush you our information-packed free color catalog at no cost or obligation. Plus, we'll also mail you this important 3-volume health portfolio. It describes how to help relieve low back pain, minor aches and pains, increase blood circulation in your legs, and reduce edema while relaxing in a Contour chair. I think it's important you get and read this free information.
That's some offer.
And it's all free. To get your free gifts by mail, call toll-free. There's absolutely no obligation.
Call toll-free 1-800-228-5400, 1-800-228-5400. Call 1-800-228-5400 toll-free, 1-800-228-5400.
Nissan introduces the biggest news in trucks, and it just got bigger. The lowest factory-sponsored truck financing, 7.7 annual percentage rate on all new Nissan trucks. 7.7 and the biggest engine available in any compact truck. 7.7 in the biggest cargo box of any Nissan truck ever. 7.7 in Nissan's roomiest cab. The lowest factory-sponsored truck financing is available on all new Nissan trucks, but only for a limited time. The name is Nissan.
The Birds will return after these messages.
There's someone in Canada I'd love to see. She's far away, but she's close to me.
Where have you been? With your boyfriend?
AT&T helps you stay close to your relatives in Canada because AT&T saves you 35% on weekends and evenings.
Grandma, you're the wildest one in the family.
Oh, me?
She's far away, but she's close to me.
AT&T.
Do you suffer from arthritis? Then you know how painful and difficult it is to get up from a chair. Worst of all is the need to depend on friends and relatives for help. But there is an answer to this problem, and make note of this toll-free number. The answer is Cushion Lift, the original chair developed to help arthritis sufferers regain their independence and self-reliance. With just the touch of a button, Cushion Lift brings you to your feet smoothly, gently, safely. Then when you're ready to sit down again, Cushion Lift lowers you as painlessly as it lifted you up. Why let arthritis keep you dependent when Cushion Lift will help you enjoy the life you used to take for granted? And Cushion Lift is Medicare approved for arthritis sufferers. For a free 8-page full-color brochure, call toll-free at 1-800-558-2151. That's 1-800-558-2151.
There's much more to weather in South Florida than sunshine and hurricanes. Lightning and thunderstorms, tornadoes, heavy rain, and flooding are also part of our weather picture. Hi, everybody. I'm Mike Bradley. Next week is Severe Weather Awareness Week in Florida, and I hope you'll join me all week on the 10 o'clock news as we take a look at some of the severe weather that's a fact of life for all of us, and some tips on how you can protect your life and property against it. Surviving Under Threatening Skies, all next week on the 10 o'clock news, only on WCIX Channel 6.
To know it. Good, because it's time for one. Do you know who's a real friend? Well, a real friend, of course. Follow us on the social media under the handle RETROcirq. Also, be sure to like our videos. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget, never forget, to click that notification bell. Ding!
The
RETROcirq! Hello, hello, hello again!
This show ain't no good.
Wait, are you skipping my segment?
Did too much shit here.
Get on with it.
Are you done?
At least ours was better visually. At least ours was committed. Get on with it. Yes, get on with it.
Got that out? All right, good. Now we can enjoy.
Get on with it.
The commercials. That's a wrap for this one. One of us will do the outros and remind you that this has been an original, self-financed production of RETROcirq Media, LLC, from Yard Lion Studios. I'm Demetria Dewey, as you know, the librarian, in case you forgot. And I'm here to remind you one more thing. Your nostalgia is quite...
Shut up!
RETROcirq! Thank you for watching these amazing and authentic compilations of retro ads found on Beta and VHS. Yes, Beta and VHS. I mean blank tapes or blank. Amidst the different costumes and makeup, we love entertaining you during the breaks. Oh, and don't forget to check out our playlist of past videos and myself playing GC when she had a vlog. Until then, stay tuned and stay retro.